from Marikina Polytechnic College, taking Bachelor of Industrial Technology, major in Food and Service Management. So for today's video, I am going to show you on how to prepare a European dish from French cuisine, which is crepes. So without further ado, let's get started.
So here are the ingredients that we need. 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 500 ml of milk, 1 cup of flour, our banana, and our chocolate syrup.
Did you know that French cooking is considered to be the most prestigious and respectable cuisine in the world? Well, with its formal techniques, appreciation for fresh ingredients and simple flavors, pride in presentation, and rich and colorful history. Well, you can say that French cuisine has really come through the world. Crepes is a French pancake made of a thin butter containing flour, eggs, melted butter, salt, milk, water, and if the crepes are to be served with a sweet sauce or garnish, used sugar. And for this video, I used banana for fillings with chocolate syrup. In cooking our crepes, we have a total time of 30 minutes, 10 minutes for preparation, 20 minutes for cooking, and comes up with 4 servings with 8 yields of crepes. This is our finished product. I hope you enjoy and learn something about this video. So why don't you go and try this together with your friends and your family. Enjoy!